This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming where the live captions originate. On Windows, Mac OS, or in a browser, captions can be system-level or app-specific, so identify that first. Once you know the source, make sure you have admin rights or the app open. Without permission, you may not toggle the feature. Open the settings or accessibility pane now and keep the captions visible while you work, because seeing the control makes turning them off immediate and avoids blind guessing. Now go step by step to the control panel. In Windows, open Settings Accessibility Captions or Speech and Flip Live Caption off. In Mac OS, open System Settings Accessibility Live Captions and disable it. If captions came from a browser, check the browser menu, setting site permissions or extensions, and disable captioning or the specific extension. Make sure to apply or save changes, otherwise the toggle may revert. Once done, verify captions disappear on active media. Finish by restarting the affected app or the browser to clear cached captioning. Often that resolves lingering overlays. If captions remain, inspect for multiple sources, system captions plus a third-party extension, and disable each one. Make sure microphone or accessibility permissions are adjusted only as required, because some features re-enable captions when permissions change. If nothing helps, reboot the computer. And one quick
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.